Okay, so I have the 4 aces here, and I also have 12 cards. And I'm going to ask the spectators to put the 4 aces anywhere they want in the deck. It does not matter, just put the cards face up. So let's say they put the 4 aces in these 4 positions. Really doesn't matter. So I'm going to close the deck up now. And I'm going to say to the spectator, okay, right, we're going to really mess these cards up. So I'm going to deal, and then I'm going to turn over, deal, 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 turn over. And now I'm going to say to the spectator that they can, again, they can do it. They can say when to deal and they can say when to turn over. But we're going to do 2 cards this time to make it even more random. So let's say deal, 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 turn over, turn over, turn over, deal, turn over. Completely free choice. So now I'm going to spread through the cards, and as you can see, they are completely random. And now I'm going to make a grid, okay? Okay. I'm going to say to the spectator, right, we're going to do one more shuffle. We're really trying to mess these cards up here. So again, I'll leave this completely up to you. You can tell me whichever side you want to fold in, and we're going to end up with one pile. Okay, so let's say they say this one first. So we're going to fold these in. Let's say they say this line, fold it in. Let's say they say top, fold it in. Side, cool, fold it in. Top again, fold it. And let's say they say put this one on top of that one. Cool. So completely fair. You can't really argue with that. But if I snap my fingers, all the cards go back to their normal state. Apart from 4 cards, I think you can see where this is going. None other than the 4 aces. So that is the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're interested in learning how to do it, then stick around and I will show you. Okay, so this trick is really great for beginners because it is completely self-working, and all you need to do is get a few things right. So let's start from the beginning. The spectator puts the cards anywhere they want in the deck. It is a completely free choice. It doesn't matter where. So let's say they put them there, okay? Square the deck up. There's nothing funny happening. So now you deal, flip, deal, flip, and you just keep doing that. Okay. So at this stage you can show the spectator that the cards are getting very mixed up, and of course they are. And then to confuse them even more, you're going to say, right, 2 cards this time. And it really is their choice. As I said, this is completely self-working. Don't ask me how it's done because honestly, I have no idea. But it just works. So, let's say they say deal, you do that. If they say flip, you do that. Okay? So, deal, 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 flip, flip, deal. And it really doesn't matter. And the cards, you can spread through them again, show them they are completely messed up. Now this is where you need to get it right, okay? So, you're going to start on your left-hand side. When you make this grid, you need to start on the left-hand side, and it goes like an S, okay? Like that. So, start from the left to the right, right to the left, left to the right, and right to the left, okay? Now, again, it doesn't matter what they do, because at this point, the trick is already complete. As long as you do this bit right, you're fine, okay? So, if they say the bottom up, that's cool. Bottom down, that's fine. This side, that's fine. This side, that's fine. Down. Okay, so it's only when you get to the last 2 piles you want to know what side the aces are facing. So as you can see, they're facing up. And if your one ace is facing up, they're all going to be facing up, okay? So let's say they do that, then you'll know the aces are facing down. If it was the other way, it'd be the other way around. But now I know the aces are facing down, so I spread them this way. If not, I would spread them that way, okay? And then you can go through and reveal that the 4 aces are the only ones that are facing down. And as I said, honestly, I don't know how this is done. I just followed the instructions and it worked. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed the trick, then give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.